The Nintendo has the AC adapter, RF switch, and the channel 3, channel 4 switch on the back here. And on the side, it has the audio and video output. Where I have the Pi mounted, I can't access the audio and video output, so I decided to have the power input and the HDMI output in the back there, and I created this plate here to make it, and it'll fit right in there, and also that one fits in there too. Here, I had to cut off this display port here to make it fit, and then to hold them in place I printed these. This one's for the HDMI, and that'll glue on there, and this one is for the power, and that'll glue on there. So I'll do that now, and I'll line them up by pushing them on. To there. You notice I'm making everything so it just pretty much snaps together. That way, if I need to make changes, it's easy. I don't have to worry with screws and stuff. So I will glue these on now. And to make it easier, I'll take the Pi out of the way. Whoops. I'm gonna drop a super glue fall on my comforter. That sucks. But you just feed it through the hole. And square it up. There. This one I think would be a little more difficult to line up, so I'm going to test fit it again. Alright, that looks good. It's this bottom part that gets glued on. Now, if I get around to making more of these, I am going to position things a little bit differently, just to make it easier on me. Alright, and they are glued in place, and it looks like it's pretty much stock that way. Should have let my paint dry a little bit more before doing this, but it's just a prototype. To wire up the charging port, I've just cut a SD cable in half, a USB cable in half, and then I will plug this end into the battery. Come on, get in there. Slide this in. Come on. Shoot. I didn't put in enough play. So I'm going to have to move the Raspberry Pi out of the way first. Make sure it's in the correct way. There we go. Now, this can slide right back in. Get a couple of screws to hold it in place. Well, I'll get that later. Now, red is positive, black is negative. Now I can plug this back in. Let's see, it goes this way. There it is.
Now
I should be able to charge
without taking it out.
Slight miscalculation there. The charger I have that fits this is a 12-volt charger, and I need a 5-volt charger for the battery bank, so that's not going to work. I could either splice it with the 5-volt charger or buy another charger. I'll have to consider my options there. And when I make my other ones, I'll do it a little differently. This part, I'm not going to wire up yet because I want to make sure I get the lengths right. What I want to do is have it two-way. So the HDMI to the screen will be spliced in a T to this. I realize there's a possibility it may not work at all, and best case scenario, it's probably going to degrade the quality of the video. But this is a retro gaming system. The quality of the video isn't expected to be high. You know, Nintendo's an 8-bit system, Super Nintendo's 16-bit. You're not getting high definition games. That's as far as I'm going to go today. I obviously have some work to do. I got to be more careful when designing this. Obviously look at what voltages I'm using. So, thanks for watching.